Hey vlog, happy Friday. It is June 8th, I think. And girl, I was just looking at myself in the mirror and it was giving. Like, it's giving a lot, actually. Anyway, I had me a really good workout this morning at my gym. I didn't record it, but it is what it is. Anyways, I had a really good workout this morning at my gym. Like, I had to thank God for that workout because, mommy, that thing was so good. But I need to go grab water because I already had my protein shake for today. But I don't have no water. And I need some water. I'm gonna grab the gallons because I like to drink a gallon a day and it keeps me motivated. If I have an actual gallon from Publix, yes, I'm one of those people. And then I need to grab either some Evian or some external water. I don't know what it's called, but that's the plan from the store. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, just so y'all can see what I'm wearing, I got these tights from Women's Best. They are a size small, but I need this in a size medium, so I'm gonna order me another one. This, I think, top is from Target. This jacket is, I think it's Lauren Conrad from the MTV show. Anyways, but that is what we are wearing to the store. I'm actually gonna put me on some lip gloss real quick too. It's like seriously so nice out too.
Allow me to help you with this?
Oh no, I'm okay, thank you.
All right.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. The cashier lady in the store was so negative. She just had a negative aura around her as soon as I started walking up. Her and another young lady was another girl was talking, and they were standing outside of the lanes, which, you know, I think they do that to, like, usually they're like, oh, are you ready to check out? But neither one of them said anything, and like they were kind of blocking one of the lanes, so I was like, okay, I'll just go to the next lane. And whatever. And then she just had like a horrible attitude, and it almost made me, I like literally start giving her attitude too, because like, I'm gonna match you at your energy. But then I don't know, as I was walking out the store, I was like, you know what, she probably just having a bad day. Maybe her and the girl was talking about something, I don't know, who knows. And then this man, which I think y'all seen, like, he was actually being really nice, and like, it's like, okay, positivity is still in the air today. It's Friday, so don't let it bother you too much. But it's literally amazing how some people negative energy can really like irritate my spirit. Yeah, there's a frog, and I don't know if the footage never took or what happened with the footage, but I recorded it off my phone so y'all can see. But the dilemma now is I got it out the garage, but now it could be back in my car because I had to close the garage, run around to the front door to try to get outside. And by the time I got outside, I didn't see it anymore, and I think it's in my car again. Well, not again, like actually in my car this time, because last time it was just sitting on the outside of my car, like just chilling. Oh, I'm so fucking annoyed. Oh my gosh. I really gotta go out there and get my sushi. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try. Wish me luck. Oh my God. Like, what if it's like out on the porch somewhere? Okay, I don't see it. Okay. Like, and I got these fucking Crocs on that are so slippery. I think he's in my car. If he's not, like, he's on the car somewhere. Is he under the car? Is he under the car? He's not under the car. Okay. Okay, let me just pop the trunk. Y'all, I grabbed the sushi, but I don't know. I didn't see it in the car. I just went in quick, grabbed the sushi. It could be anywhere. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to forget about it. I'm just gonna try to forget about it, and hopefully it doesn't. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm not.
Slap-on koozies have been a really nice summer item, so you can do full color dyes. So we can, again, get really custom and creative with quantity. We can do them in any shape or size, so we can completely customize these.
Hey, you guys. I went to Ulta, and I wanted to show y'all what I got. So Ulta has some of the best press-on nails I've seen. Like, seriously, this is a coffin shaped one. It's like in a pearl, but kind of like a pink type of color. I'm so excited to try those. I also got these OPI ones. I've never seen OPI have press-ons. My sister put me on. These look so cute when she had them on. And then I got another pair of these. These are some almond shaped ones. I've never been an almond girl, but I was like, you know, why not try it? I got me some more. I didn't need any more, but I got me some more. What these are? What are these? Flossies. False lashes. My face has been super dry lately. I don't know. I really don't know why. Cause babe, I'm still breaking out kinda. So I don't know why she's dry. But so I'm gonna try this Cetaphil deep hydration stuff at night, not during the day. And then I also might try this eye serum. It doesn't have any fragrance in it, so I like that. I got me some more scissors because you're gonna need some more scissors, and today I'm doing my hair. And then I also got me some scissors that I can keep in my makeup kit when I cut lashes and stuff like that. I'll be needing scissors. I got me some more false lash, you know, tweezer little thingies to put my lashes on, even though I rarely use this, to be honest with you, but it's fine. And then the last thing I got was the pattern serum from not Taraji, but Miss Tracy Ellis Ross's brand. I wanted to try a hair serum today. I'm going to try that. Now, tell me why all of this came up to $150. I'm trying to figure out what's really tea. The Cetaphil deep hydration was $22. The serum was $21. But everything else, I guess, because everything else was around $15. So yeah, you can back it up. But that does not seem like it's adding up correctly. But babe, everything is so expensive these days, it really pisses me off. So, whatever. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm watching The Predator. One of the Predator movies. This thing's so good. So I'm about to start getting ready to do some other things, but I will talk to you guys later. Good morning. But anyways, today is cardio and abs. Core. So, but yeah, I don't get excited for this, but I'm about to get excited because, baby, trying to be my best, sexiest self this summer, all spring, all summer, really, because I'm already so sexy already. I'm gonna show y'all the fit real quick. This crop jacket. I love crop jackets. Then I got this t-shirt. Well, this crop shirt. My gym shirt tights. And my sneakers are the Metcom women's sneakers. But I love me a crop jacket, y'all. Not to be all up in y'all face or nothing, but yeah, I'm about to get an energy drink in. I kind of want some coffee, but it's too late for me to do that, so I'm gonna just make me a little energy drink with my amino lean powder and go to this gym. Hey y'all. Going upstairs. I know child, it is what it is. It is, what's today? What today is? Tuesday. So yeah, it's Tuesday and I'm about to start making me some dinner because I did not meal prep my dinner for the week. And I need to do some dishes from yesterday and all that stuff. But I'm hungry right now, so yeah, I'm about to make me some dinner and then get back into it. All right, y'all, I had to change out of my work shirt because there's just so much to do. Like I was fighting with the trash, like it was just too much. So yeah, I had to get settled. But yeah, now I'm about to start. Let me wash my hands again. Wash my hands again. But yeah, let me start. I'm about to start working on this food because I'm actually super duper hungry. I'm like very hungry actually. And it's 7:21. So that means I'm not about to eat until that late. All right, y'all. This is my plate. This is my salmon. Y'all, this is so good. And I don't know what made me want buffalo cauliflower and salmon. It's such a weird like combination, but I think it's because I was in the store hungry and I saw some hot Cheetos and I was like, oh my God, I want hot Cheetos. But then I was like, oh, babe, you can't eat no hot Cheetos. And then I was on Pinterest and I saw the buffalo cauliflower and I was like, oh, I haven't had buffalo cauliflower in so long. And boom, it's a vegetable and it's spicy. It's hot, like hot Cheetos. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even that hungry no more because I was like eating during like while I was like cooking and stuff. But the salmon is cooked. It's so cooked so well. Anyways, all right, y'all. Peace. Good morning, y'all. It is it focusing? Anyways, it's 5:34. And I'm late. I'm late to the gym. But I truly don't care. Because y'all know I was up late. Way later. And my period came on today. So it's getting whatever they're gonna get whatever they can get today from me. Cause it's first day vibes with the period. Hold on. I need to put on this damn waist trainer. Girl, hurry up. I think I'm gonna get an energy drink at the gym because the little energy drink that I be having ain't gonna cut it.
It's not cut it for the girls. I'm actually very bloated. I don't know if it's from the food I had last night, the drink I had last night, or what, but I'm very bloated. Or it's just my period. But yeah, we're about to go to the gym.